Hello friends, in this video let me solve some problem based on tensile stress and shear stress. First question, a bar of diameter D subjected to tensile force of 50 kN when stress is not exceed 75 megapascal. Find the diameter. Let's write the given data. Load P equal 50 kN. This force is applied here. Then tensile stress produced in the rod due to this load is 75 megapascal. We need to find the diameter. We know the formula stress equal load by area. Now substitute here. It's a circular rod. Area equal pi by 4 into d square. Stress equal P divided by pi by 4 d square. Now d square equal P divided by 4p divided by pi into sigma t, tensile stress. So 4 into 50 into 10 power 3 divided by pi into stress 75 megapascal. We will get d square equal 1018.6 millimeter square. Now d equal 31.9 millimeter, approximately equal 32 millimeter. This is the diameter of this rod. Just we use the formula of stress. Next, a cast iron link is used to transmit a steady tensile load of 50 kN. Find the tensile stress induced in the section AA and BB. Here two sections. This is a section AA and this one is section BB. We need to find out the stress in two sections. Thickness is 20 millimeter and this height is 60 millimeter. 20, 50 and this height is 80 millimeter. We need to find the stress in section AA and section BB. Let's take a tensile stress in section AA. Section AA. Now let's find the area. Area equal, this is the section AA. So area equal 20 into 60. So we will get 1200 millimeter square. Stress equal load by area. Now we know the load. We are applying 50 kilonewton. 50 into 10 power 3 divided by 1200. We will get 41.67 millimeter square. This is the stress induced in section AA. Now for section BB, let's find the area. Area equal 20 into this value 80 minus 50. 80 minus 50, we will get area 20 into 30, that is also equal 600 millimeter square. So stress equal load by area. Load is 50 kilonewton. 50 into 10 power 3 divided by 1200. So we will get stress section BB equal 83.3 Newton per millimeter square. This stress is produced in the section BB. This stress is produced in section AA. Let's go next question. A hydraulic press carries a total load of 5 meganewton. This load carried by two steel rods supported at tops. If shape stress is 85 megapascal and Young's modulus is 200 kilonewton per millimeter square, find the rod and its extension when original length is 3 meter. Now let's find the area. Area equal pi by 4 into d square, so 0.7854 d square. Here two rod is carrying the load, so single rod carrying the load P1 equal P divided by 2 also equal 5 meganewton, 5 into 10 power 6 divided by 2. So single load equal 2.5 into 10 power 6 Newton. This load is carried by a single rod. So now stress equal load by area also equal 2.5 into 10 power 6 divided by 0.7854 d square. Now we know the value of stress, that is stress is produced 85, so we will get diameter d square is equal 2.5 into 10 power 6 divided by 0.7854 into 85. Now diameter equal 193.5 millimeter, so approximately it is equal to 194 millimeter. Let's find the change in length. Changing length equal PL divided by AE. Here we know the load, length, area, Young's modulus. We can find the change in length. So change in length equal load is 2.5 into 10 power 6 into length is 3 meter, that is 3000 millimeter, whole divided by area is 0.7854 into diameter 194 square into Young's modulus 2 into 10 power 5. Here Young's modulus value is that 200 into 10 power 3, so we can write as 2 into 10 power 5, 2 into 10 power 5. We will get change in length equal 1.27 millimeter. When applying a load of 5 meganewton, the rod will extend 1.27 millimeter. Next question. A mild steel rod supports a tensile load of 60 kilonewton. The stress in the rod is limited to 120 megapascal. Find the dimensions of the rod when the rod's cross section is circular, square and rectangle. These three conditions we need to find. Let's take a first case. Case A, when the rod is cross section is circular, cross section area is circular. We know the formula tensile stress equal load by area, and area equal pi by 4 d square also equal 0.7854 d square. Now we know the value of area, stress and load. We can find the diameter 0.7854 d square equal load P is 60 into 10 power 3 whole divided by stress is 120 megapascal. Here stress is 120, so we can find diameter d square equal 636 millimeter square, so d equal 25.23, approximately d approximately equal 26 millimeter. Suppose in first case the rod is circular cross section, we need to make the diameter of 26 millimeter each rod. Let's go for the second condition, when the rod is square. Condition B, rod cross section is square. This is a square, side x and x, so stress equal load by area Now area equal load by stress. Here load is 60 kilonewton, 60 into 10 power 3 divided by stress is 120 megapascal, and area is x square cross section. So we will get x equal 22.36 millimeter. Suppose if the rod should be in square cross section, the side should be 22.36, approximately 23 millimeter. Third case, cross section of a rectangular. Cross section area of rectangular is width equal 3 times of thickness. Suppose the cross section rectangular with thickness, now width is equal to 3t, so area equal 3t into t square, so 3t into t, so 3t square. This is the area. We know the formula stress equal load by area. Now area 3t square equal load 60 into 10 power 3 divided by stress 120. We will get thickness equal to 12.9 millimeter. So if b equals 3t, so we will get 3t 38.7 millimeter. This is the dimensions of rectangular cross section. Next, a steel bar of 3 meter long, 40 mm square is stretched by applying a load of 600 kilonewton. Poisson ratio is 0.3. Find the increase in volume. Take Young's modulus equal 2 into 10 power 5 Newton per millimeter square. Now, volumetric strain, change in volume divided by original volume is equal to strain into 1 minus 2 by m. This is the formula. We can find strain equal load by area into Young's modulus, because Young's modulus equal stress divided by strain. We want to find the strain equal stress by Young's modulus. We can write this stress as load by area and keep this E. So we can find the strain also here. E equal load is given as 600 kilonewton, 600 into 10 power 3 divided by area is 1600, because squares cross section, side 60, 40 and 40, so area is 1600 into Young's modulus is 2 into 10 power 5. Now we can find the strain 1.875 into 10 power minus 3, no unit. So then change in volume divided by original volume is equal, strain value is 1.875 into 10 power minus 3 into 1 minus 2 into 0.3. Poisson ratio 1 by m equal Poisson ratio. So now we know the formula for volume, area into length. Here square cross section area, so 1600 into length is 3000 millimeter, given data. So we can find change in volume is equal to 3600 millimeter square. This is a change in volume for this problem. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.